Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a square symbol on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the square symbol in your WPS presentation mobile, just going to show this video. So to insert the square symbol, you just need to insert keyboard like Google Keyboard or Gboard from the Play Store, because there is no insert symbol option present on your WPS presentation mobile. So here I just using Google Keyboard as an alternative. So first of all, click on this number section, and here you can find a lot of symbols. Then click on the symbol section again, this option, and here you can find the square root. So this is the only way that you can just insert square root on your WPS presentation on your mobile phone. And if you have any common doubt about WPS presentation on your mobile version or on the web version, you just comment below. I will make a video about it, and we will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day.